In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your business name on Square Appointments with this comprehensive 2025 guide. This step-by-step tutorial will make sure you can easily update your business details, ensuring your online presence reflects your current brand identity. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Square Appointments website. This is your go-to for easy appointment scheduling and booking, providing various tools to manage your business effectively. Once there, locate the Sign In button on the homepage and click on it. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. This central hub is where all the magic happens, giving you a full overview of your business operations. From here, direct your attention to the settings section. You'll typically find this at the bottom of the menu located on the left side. Settings is the place where you can customize and manage various aspects of your business account. Within Settings, search for the tab labeled Account and Settings. Clicking this will present you with a variety of options related to your account configuration. It's important to navigate carefully here to ensure you're making changes to the right sections. Next, click on My Business. This area contains core information about your business that is visible to your clients and customers. Here you can manage essential details like your business name, contact info, and more. Upon accessing My Business, you'll need to click on About. This section provides the opportunity to see and edit the general information that represents your business on Square. In the About section, find the option that reads Display Business Name. Clicking this will allow you to change the name that appears publicly. This is a vital step, especially if you're rebranding or simply making modifications to how your business is presented. Once you have accessed the Display Business Name area, highlight the current name shown there. With it highlighted, you can go ahead and type in the new business name you've chosen. Ensure this is exactly the way you want it to appear to your customers, as this will be the name they see. Finally, save your changes by clicking on the Save button or the equivalent confirmation option in your settings menu. It's always a good idea to review the new settings to double check everything looks right and accurately reflects your intended changes. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed your business name on Square Appointments, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with your business identity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep your business details up to date to maintain your professional edge.